Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Sofi account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser and go to your default search engine. Then search Sofi Login. Then on the top you can see Login, or just directly go to www.sofi.com/login. It will then take you to the official website of Sofi. There, enter your email address, then enter your password. To view your password if it's correct or not, you can click to this eye icon. Then it will show you your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Sofi account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. And if you are new to Sofi, you can sign up a new account by clicking to Sign Up. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.